Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about sum of individual digits. So let's take one example. So I'm taking one number 57821. So I want the sum like how 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 equal to how much? 10, 18, 5, 33. So I want this sum. So for this what we have to do first manually. For this 57821. So first we will take this as a one within one variable. I'm taking in a. Okay, I'm taking the in additional variables remainder equal to 0 and sum equal to 0. So the first step will be we need to check whether a less than while a less than get a greater than 0 or not. See, if it is a greater than 0, then within the while what we have to do, a equal sorry remainder equal to a percentage 10. Next we will get within the remainder 1 at first loop. So next what we have to do, a equal to a divided by 10. So it will reduce the number to 5782 here. So finally here we have to do sum equal to sum plus remainder. That's it. So the final output will come here. Print sum. So this is what we have to implement through bot. So for this I am creating a process sum of individual digits. Okay, I am creating a process. So here is my process. So first what we have to do, we need to take three variables. I mean three data items we have to take it. First one is the number which we have to provide number, and the number will be 57821. That's what we take in example, right? 57821. Okay. The next one is a reminder and sum. Decision box reminder equal to 0, number type 0, and sum will be number and initial value will be 0. So what we have to do, we need to check the condition whether the number greater than 0 or not. So the decision box, I'm dragging the decision box, checking number greater than 0. So number greater than 0. If number greater than 0, what we have to do, we have to calculate the, we need to get the remainder. That means 1 we should get it. So for that I'm dragging the calculation stage. So get reminder. So reminder will be the storing item, and how we will get number percentage 10. So will it work percentage in BluePrism directly validate it? Since we are getting some error, your expression does not appear to be valid. Syntax said that token percentage is invalid. Please check the case of your operations example or virus, and check that your function use brackets after the function name. Example now, example like ABC. That seems percentage is not work accepting the BluePrism. So we will do the same calculation without in alternative way. We will try to do the operation because we don't have the percentage. So instead of using percentage, what we can do, reminder, what we can do, I am taking reminder as a duplicate equal to a, and I will implement. I am taking same example, so same number equal same data items which we take in the BluePrism. Okay, number equal to 57821, and I'm changing the remainder to duplicate equal to 0 initially and sum equal to 0 initially. On the same condition, while number is greater than 0, then first thing what we can do is duplicate equal to number. I'm keeping the value separately in another variable, and number equal to number divided by 10. Finally, sum equal to sum plus what was the calculation? Duplicate minus number into 10. This is what we need. We need to implement this one. So for this I am changing the remainder to duplicate. Okay, and the first procedure is assign the number to duplicate. So I'm assigning number to duplicate. Okay, the next step will be number equal to number divided by 10. Calculation stage number divided by 10, number divided by 10, and assigning it to number. The final thing will be calculate the sum. Calculate sum. So sum plus, what is it? Sum plus duplicate minus, sorry, duplicate minus, what is it? Within the brackets number into 10. Gets number into 10. Finally storing it into the number, sorry, sum. Finally we are storing the result into sum. So let's provide the loop concept. Link this. This is success case, and once finishing the number count, individual numbers count, it will go to else case. So let's check it. Reset. I done the linking part. We'll run it. Make it slow. We'll check one by one. You can observe here what having the number initially, and in the flow loop by loop what will be the number, what will be the duplicate, what will be the sum. Okay, first loop we got the duplicate same, seems it will go to the infinite loop because we are getting the decimals. You observe we are getting decimals in the current value, and even though duplicate also we are getting decimals, but finally sum will be the 0. That's the wrong case. So somewhere we need to do some operation. Assign make duplicate. So what will be the problem? The problem is here number. So number should accept, decimal should be always non-decimal. Here after this number should be always non-decimal. So for that what we have to do, we have to eliminate the decimal points. For that we have the method number, and what is it, round down, get a number round down. we have 1.47 comma 1 result in 1.4. So we will use this within the number. What will be the one our number, and instead of places 0. So we don't want, we'll store in number. Let's link and check. So reset, run. We got 1 in the sum. So next will be the 3, the sum having 3. You got it? The sum having 3. Next 3 plus 8, 11 we should get. Yes. Next 11 plus 7, 18 we should get. Yes. Finally we should get 23. You got it? We got the final result 23. See? If you have any confusions, please watch and observe the video clearly. In case we have any queries, provide me the comments, your doubts. I will give a response. Okay. Thanks for watching video.